Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today, and a lot has gone on since our last upload, and I really apologize for not uploading for about the last week or two. But I'm gonna be explaining about what just happened in the last week and what are my future goals with this account on Robinhood. I know I went on to Webull and then back to Robinhood, but I'll explain all of it in today's video, showing you guys my strategy to make around 2 to 5% consistently and persistently, just simply using Robinhood. Around, maybe I'm starting with around $1,000, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys my little strategy. It's very simple, very straightforward, but it has a little unique twist, so hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it. I'm sorry. But before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet. I would really appreciate it a ton. We are almost at 600 subscribers, and I'd happily hit that milestone probably by the end of July. So if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe button, that would really help me out. Alright guys, so with my account right here, as you guys can see, I have $1,000. So basically what has happened in the meantime is I moved over to Webull. I got a free stock, and after using it for a little bit, I decided that Robinhood was a little bit of a better platform just because it's simpler to use, more aesthetically pleasing, and I just liked it more in general. So I decided to come back to Robinhood, and now I'm here starting with $1,000 flat, and I'm looking to grow this sum of money by around 2 to 5% every single month, using two strategies that I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Alright, so the first strategy that I'm looking to do is basically what I'm doing right now. I'm investing. Don't mind this UWT. I just did this as a little bit of a higher risk investment because while I was gone for the week, it just looked to me like oil was on a dip. So I bought UWT, and it just shot up right after that. So don't mind this. This was just like a little bit of a fun stock. I did make 9% on it. Previously, it was like at 15%. But I'm looking to see if there's a good opportunity with this stock later on. Because as you guys can see, it had a huge dip down, and now it's climbing back up. Alright guys, so the main strategy that I'm going to be doing, number one, is basically investing in massive companies like Microsoft, which their earnings are coming out this week. So hopefully they're good, so we can get a little bit of like maybe 3 to 5% gain on after earnings, as well as like Alibaba, Visa, Zynga. And the reason that I chose these companies, these stocks, is, except for one, is that because they have a very strong uptrend for the last 5 years plus. As you guys can see, Microsoft has gained around 230% in the last 5 years, and you see nothing but upward potential on the stock. And plus, who doesn't know Microsoft? It's a massive company that produces a lot of electronics in today's day and age. So it looks like definitely a good bet to invest in the stock. And what my strategy is basically to look at these huge stocks with nice uptrend patterns. I research them weekly, trying to find good new stocks to purchase, to buy, and basically swing. What I do is, I think it was right around here, after this big climb up on Microsoft and the dip, I saw that this was a great buying opportunity. So I purchased two stocks. I bought in at 135-ish. So let's see. Yeah, so it was when it was climbing back up. I'm sorry, those are just Instagram notifications. Yeah, so I bought it when it was climbing back up, and that is basically my strategy. Buy big companies on dips. They don't have to be big dips, just small dips. And whenever I see potential for the stock to have a slightly larger dip, for example, it breaks support, then I'll definitely sell the stock and take my profits. But right now, why sell the stock if it's consistently gaining profits steadily and it has earnings upcoming and it's a solid company, usually going above their earnings. So why not just keep it? That's my opinion on Microsoft. But the one stock that I didn't really follow this, I would say, strategy on is Alibaba. For the last 5 years, it has had an uptrend, but it's not consistent as Microsoft or Visa. But the reason I bought into the stock is that there was a lot of complications with it because of the trade war, and I took this as my advantage. And let's see, I'm about break even with this stock, so it's not too bad. What happened is I saw that this stock was on a dip. I bought it. It was starting to dip. I bought a little bit too early. That's perfectly fine though, because I'm still in this stock for I'm probably gonna stay in the stock for another month. I'm hoping to get out on maybe 5 to 10% gain. But I saw this stock was on a dip. I bought it because I saw it was consistently trending up for the last like 1 month and a half. And right now, I'm just holding it and it's gaining pretty steadily. Actually, today it's up 2.5%. So that's what's going on with Alibaba. And I'm not going to be talking about Zynga because that's also a little bit of a fun trade, I would say. Just a little bit for diversification and stuff. But Visa, another big company I'm holding, I'm up around 5.3% on the stock. I know this is actually a large amount of money that I'm up in a short period of time. I think I bought this stock in June 26th, so it's been around 3 weeks, which is not too shabby. 5% on a stock in 3 weeks. And same thing with Microsoft as in Visa. I'm going to be doing this on American Express, MasterCard. I noticed that these credit card companies are making, their stock prices are gaining very, very steadily. So I'm looking to invest in these definitely. But looking at it, I'm just buying at these little dips. As you guys can see, I had a dip of like, let's say $1. Here I had a dip of $2, $2.50. And whenever I see these dips is basically where I look to buy another share of the stock. And I will be adding more funds to my portfolio steadily from my Instagram little business right there where I make some money off of my pages. But, one last thing. I did invest in some Bitcoin. No biggie. I'm about break even, like $10. It's nothing big, just a little bit for fun, like I said. So now the second part of the strategy, I'm sorry to keep you guys hanging for so long. But I just wanted to explain everything thoroughly so you guys can understand. The second part of the strategy is options. Yes, you guys heard that right, options. And I feel like I would say, cultivated the art of options, at least to a mildly proficient level where I can identify it. I can identify an intraday trend, hop onto it, and make anywhere from $5 to $15 to $20 on a given day that I do day trade options on an ETF like SPY or a stock like Apple, Microsoft, or Nvidia. I've done this previously, and last time I think I made $17. Next one I cut losses around like -$4. So overall, I think I'm in profit around $15 from day trading options recently, and this was before I was with the $1,000 portfolio, by the way. So that's just my little strategy. I buy options for around $100 to $200. Right now, I think I have let's see, $167 in capital that I could use to day trade options. Today, I didn't see any big opportunity for an intraday options trade. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. You have to be patient. And yeah, that's basically it. We're up around $7 so far. It's been like it's been 1 week where I was break even, and then this is the start of the second week, and I'm already off to a great start, up $6. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated in probably bi-weekly videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, again, smash that like button below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys have a great day.